We're the pastors of Omega Fire Ministries in the nation of Zimbabwe. We want to say we love you. Happy birthday, sir. As to our father, what do we say?
Happy birthday, Papa. We love you.
Papa, we want to say we love you for every thing that you stand for. You have become a book that our subconscious mind read and has become a role model for us.
That we want to thank God for your life, for everything that God is doing through you around the nations of the earth. You are an example of a father, a leader, and a blessing to our generation. And as a church in Omega Fire Ministry, Zimbabwe National Headquarters, we are wishing you a happy birthday. As a church, what do we say?